Trade between China and Kenya has continued to grow steadily. Data from the Chinese embassy in Nairobi indicates that in 2014, the total bilateral trade between Kenya and China reached $5.09 billion, a 53% increase from the previous year. To boost this trade, Kenya's banking sector is creating a good environment for this trade to run smoothly. National Bank is among the first to launch a Chinese business unit. This was during the opening of the bank's premium branch in Nairobi on Wednesday.
The internalization of the yuan is very important in speeding out and increasing the efficiency of the business relationships between China on the one hand and Kenya and the wider East Africa on the other. So it's definitely a positive step.
Kenya banking giants are in agreement that the Chinese Renmibi should be internationalized in order to increase trade with China within the region.
If you look at the size of the Chinese economy and particularly the role that China plays in trade and investment across the world, it is hard to see how the renminbi doesn't become an international currency. It has been one of the most stable currencies, and already in the African continent you can see many of the proactive governments and central banks using it as a reserve currency to manage their reserves.
Earlier this week, during the signing of an MOU between the world's largest bank in China, ICBC, and Stanbic Bank at an investors forum, Ben Kruger said that the Chinese renminbi has security of being invoiced owing to its stability. He also added paying in the Chinese currency during trade eliminates the fluctuation risk.